So I just got an offer and I want to reply and accept this offer. What I'm going to do is just copy the text of the offer. Now I'm going to hit reply and I'm going to press a keyboard shortcut for Alice that will generate the reply for this message. And this is not like a random reply. This is a reply that accepts this offer. So I appreciate your offer and would like to accept the custom plan with like 5,000 to, okay. And that's basically the offer accepted based on the email that I got. So how did I do it? I didn't even open Alice, right? I can summon Alice here and show you what happened. So as you can see, Alice already have my conversation, and this is because I've used snippets. So if you don't know what snippets are, I recommend you to watch 101 course on Alice, but basically here you have snippets, and one of the snippets I have is accept, and it has a keyboard shortcut applied to it. So what I did is I just copied to the clipboard, then run this shortcut, and immediately, because I use really fast model, immediately within like 1 second, I got the reply ready to paste. So I pasted the reply here. And this is super, super useful. And I use it all the time with Alice just running in the background. I format and send images on Slack, Gmail, and many other apps connected with communication that I have. So also I have, apart from accept, I have reject. I have some other options depending on how I want to react to this very message. When working like this, you might be willing to use also some other snippets, such as extract. You also have a snippet called summarize. So for example, if you have a long email, you can just copy this email and you can summarize it to get like few most important things from it, and then you can decide how to answer. Also, I have the snippet called extend. So I also have the keyboard shortcut here, and I use extend very often when I have a message that I want to use some bullet points, for example, with. So I just draft some simple bullet points that I accept the offer, that I want to meet next week and whatever in bullet points. And then I select it and I just run extend on that. Or also there is one more snippet that you can use, and this is reformat or rephrase. So you have either reformat or rephrase that will basically take the content that you have. So for example, a few bullet points in the answer, and it will rephrase it so that it's a pretty nice message, well formatted, clean from errors and stuff like that. So this is really useful, and you just have to decide what kind of reactions you want from the snippets, what kind of operations do you want to perform on the text while Alice is running in the background, and create those keyboard shortcuts and just learn one by one so that you can form a habit of just pressing these keyboard shortcuts so that it's so much easier. So, but I use it all the time, like extending and translating and also fixing the text, accepting the offer, stuff like that. It's really, really useful. And I hope that's kind of an inspiration for you. So thank you and see you in the next one.